Hi, welcome to our Indonesian language and culture class, and today we're going to talk about how to say how. Many foreign students get confused when they're asking a question using how. This confusion happens because we have couple ways to ask some questions using how. Bagaimana? Bagaimana? We use this question word bagaimana when we are asking about the way we do something or methods of doing things. For example, bagaimana caranya membuat kue itu? Bagaimana caranya membuat kue itu? Bagaimana kamu bisa mengerti secepat itu? Bagaimana kamu bisa mengerti secepat itu? The other context where we can use the word bagaimana is when we are asking about someone's feelings or someone's conditions. For example, bagaimana tes wawancaranya kemarin? Bagaimana tes wawancaranya kemarin? Bagaimana kabar orang tuamu? Bagaimana kabar orang tuamu? We also use bagaimana when we are asking someone's opinions. For example, bagaimana menurut kamu tentang masalah ini? Bagaimana menurut kamu tentang masalah ini? Especially for asking someone's opinions, the common mistake that foreign students make is asking this question. Kamu pikir apa tentang masalah ini? Kamu pikir apa tentang masalah ini? This question is understandable but doesn't sound natural. The natural one is bagaimana menurut kamu tentang masalah ini? Bagaimana menurut kamu tentang masalah ini? The next one is berapa? Berapa? We use this question word berapa when we are asking about quantity, amount, or price, and berapa is followed by nouns. For example, berapa harganya? Berapa harganya? Berapa umurmu? Berapa umurmu? Berapa gelas kopi yang dia beli? Berapa gelas kopi yang dia beli? And the last one is seberapa? Seberapa? We use this question word seberapa when we are asking about the degree of the following word, and the following words are adjectives or adverbs. And here's the context. You know something is bitter, for example coffee, and you want to know more about it, like how bitter it is. So the sentence is like this: seberapa pahit kopi yang bisa dia minum? Seberapa pahit kopi yang bisa dia minum? And the other examples are seberapa sering dia datang ke sini? Seberapa sering dia datang ke sini? Seberapa kuat orang itu? Seberapa kuat orang itu? And now is the quiz time. How was the competition? How was the competition? And the answer is bagaimana. Bagaimana pertandingannya? Bagaimana pertandingannya? How do you study Indonesian? How do you study Indonesian? And the answer is bagaimana. Bagaimana caramu belajar bahasa Indonesia? Bagaimana caramu belajar bahasa Indonesia? How often does she get angry? How often does she get angry? And the answer is seberapa. Seberapa sering dia marah? Seberapa sering dia marah? How many people did come to your party last night? How many people did come to your party last night? And the answer is berapa. Berapa orang yang datang ke pestamu tadi malam? Berapa orang yang datang ke pestamu tadi malam? So I think that is it for today and thank you so much for watching. Sampai jumpa.